Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you. Happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, friends, viewers, welcome to our Hollywood decoration idea. Today we will make some spoken creative decoration that will make your home look secure, fun and perfect for Hollywood night. These ideas are very simple and you can do them with things you already have at home. So let's begin. First ideas pumpkins with figure. Take a big pumpkin and carve a scary or funny face. Place it on top of a mannequin or even make a dress with old cloth. Add a rich head on the pumpkin head on. You now have a spooky pumpkin which welcome your guests at the door. Another idea is which look with a magic hair. Take some old books, stick them on a table and place a witch hat on top. Decorate with red berries, leaves or candles around them. This look stories like with just felt her spell books there. So here you can also try spider web decoration. Use cotton or white net to stitch across wall, windows and curtains and plastic spider to make it extra scary. This is very cheap and give us big effects. Another fun idea is pumpkin lanterns. Carving pumpkin in different shapes. Put candle on fairy lights inside and place them on the porch or garden. They will glow at night and make your home look spooky and magical. You can also make a switch corner. Use a black hat, broomstick and an old chair. Place them together with fake cobweb and lanterns. Look like a switch leaves in your house. All these ideas are easy, budget friends and perfect for a Hollywood night. You can use them for your party, for trick or treat decoration, or just to make your home look festive. So friends, try this Hollywood decoration at home. Surprise your guests and neighbors with spooky and fun ideas. Happy